Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B. This is day 4 of your 7-day Pilates challenge. We're doing a little upper body, glutes, legs, so let's get straight into it. So we're going to come into a 4-point kneeling position. So take your hands actually in front of the shoulders. We're going to do a moving cat-cow. So round the back, drop the bottom, and then come forward and just lower. So just adjust where the legs are, drop your shoulders, and again round the back. And just keep making this a nice little flowing movement just to warm up the spine. One more. Good. And then come back into a 4-point kneeling position. So wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. I'm going to take an inhale. Exhale, tummy muscles in. Left leg back. Right arm forward. Now bring the arm and leg away from the body. Arm and leg out to the side, just a few inches. And back. Inhale away. Exhale back, belly in. Inhale away. Exhale back. Inhale in. Leg and arm nice and straight. Exhale back. One more. Exhale back. Now hold, lengthen, point the toe. Energy through the fingers for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Left arm, right leg. Get the hips nice and parallel. Arm and leg out to the side. Bring them away from the body. And back. Belly in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhaling. Exhaling. Now lengthen. Point the toe. Energy through the toes and the fingers. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Good, let's just stretch out the spine. So right arm, inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Left arm, inhale, look up. And down, one more each side. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. So we're going to warm up the shoulders and the back muscles. So bring the left forearm down and then the right forearm down. Either have your arms like a number 11 on the mat or your hands together interlaced. The fingers, I just prefer that. Left leg back, right leg back. Make sure your shoulders are over the wrists. Make sure the bottom isn't sticking up. You can do this with knees down as well. We're just holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now plant the left hand and then the right hand to come up into a high plank and then drop the knees. So we're going to do some leg lifts with a tricep push-up. Tricep push-ups, your hands are directly under your shoulders. They're not wide like normal push-ups, and your elbows are going to stay in and they're going to brush past your ribs. So your arms are not coming out to the side, they're staying in. So take your right leg back, tummy muscles in, tricep push-up, elbows in, and up. Let's go for 4. Inhale down, exhale up. Just go as low as you can. One more time. Other side. Left leg back. Elbows in. Inhale down, exhale up for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now traditional push-ups, hands wide, take your knees back, cross your ankles over. We're going to inhale down, exhale up, just go as low as you can. My hips lower as well. Inhale down, exhale up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go for 2 more. 7, 8. Good. Take the knees wide. Just go for a quick stretch back. Good, back strength is so important. Good, come forward, and then we're going to lie onto the side. So nice long line with the body. Have a little check. Your legs should be in a nice straight line. We're going to go to this position actually. Elbow on the mat, hand on the back of the head. Other hand can be here or on the mat, which will add a little bit of stability. So bend the bottom leg, top leg is straight. So now I'm going to lift my ribs. There should be a gap between the ribs and the mat. So I'm going to flex the foot, my top foot. Kick it forward. Nothing else moves. 2 kicks. 1, 2. Point the toe back. Bring it back. Lift your ribs off the mat. Flex forward. 2 kicks. 1, 2. And lift. Lift the ribs. Try not to flare the ribs. Try not to open out. Try and lift. Flex forward. 1, 2. And lift. Good. And again, 1, 2, and lift. And again, 1, 2, and lift. Good. Bring it down and down. Imagine you're touching the floor and the floor is hot. So I'm going to release my hand now. I'm going to draw a rainbow with my leg on a tap, and then tap behind me. Tap. And tap. Lengthen. It's a stretch for the legs. Your core should be in as well. Tummy muscles in. Nothing else moving. 5, 4. Should I feel the bottom and the thighs working? 3, 2, 1. And done. Bend your knees. Bring your shins parallel to the front edge of the mat. Don't let your body roll back. Going into the clown. We're going to open and close. We've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is great for that glute strength. Now lift the ankles. We're going to open into the clown. Extend the leg, ankles together, knees together. Open, extend, together, together. 6 more. So I'm already feeling it in my glute. Keep the belly in. Don't let the pelvis rock back. Really lengthen, point the toe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down, down, straighten the legs. I'm going to extend my arm. Nice long neck. Legs just a couple of inches in front of the body. Point the toes. We're going to point up. Flex the foot to come down. We've got 10 of these. Point up. Flex down and up and down, belly in, everything else nice and still. Keep the pelvis quiet so you're not rocking backwards and forwards. 3, 2, 1, and down. Now we're going to lift the top leg, lift the bottom leg. Now both legs are off the mat, just the top leg up and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now just the bottom leg, tap the mat and up. For 5, 4, you know what I meant. 3, belly in. 2, 1, lengthen, point those toes and down. Come up. We're going to swing the legs round. Let's do it all on the other side. So first we're up like this. Hand on the back of the head, elbow down, bend the bottom leg, top leg is straight. So remember you've got that gap under the ribs. We're going to flex the foot, come forward, 2 kicks, 1, 2, point the toe back behind the body, lift the ribs. Flex forward, 1, 2, point the toe back, lift the ribs. And flex forward, 1, 2, and lift. Point that toe and flex. 1, 2, and lift. Good. One more time. Flex. 1, 2, and lift. Point that toe. Come down. I'm going to rest my head here. I'm going to bend the knees going into the clown. Open and open. Let's go for 6. Glute strength is so important for the back. 5. Helps us to stand up straight. 3, 2, 1. Lift the heels. So we're going to climb, extend, together and close. Open, extend, together and close. And open, extend, together and close. Open, extend, together. Tummy muscles in. Don't let the pelvis rock backwards. One more time. Good, and down. Straighten the legs, extend the lower arm. Keep the neck long, so looking straight ahead of you, belly in. We're going to lift the top leg, point the toe, flex the foot to come down. Point up, flex down. Point up, flex down. Tummy muscles in, point up, flex down. Two more, and lift. Good, and lift. Good, then lift the top leg, lift the bottom leg. Just the top leg up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bottom leg, tap the mat and lift for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and both down together. Come up. Let's take a little stretch here. So over and over. Good, and then just swing the feet round. Good, keep it a nice moving stretch. I've got lots of stretch videos, whole playlist of stretches if you want to do a little bit more flexibility work. Good, and then we're just going to do a little bit of glute strength. So we are going to lie down on the mat. Now just place the palms on top of each other, palms down, rest your chin. So really squeeze your glutes here. You shouldn't feel this in the lower back. So we're going to lift the right leg off the mat, the whole right leg lifts. I'm going to point my toe, I'm going to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Left leg, lift it off, point the toe, squeeze your bottom. 5 circles, movement comes from the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Now lift both, lift both. 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Now straighten the arms, remember that back strength, tummy muscles in. We're just going to float everything off. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lengthen and down. Good. Again, push up, push back. Good. And come up. Let's just do a cat-cow here. So push the spine up, drop the head, opposite way, belly down, chest through, head up. Just got one more exercise. Good, and then we're going to go for some commando planks. So by all means keep your knees down to modify, especially if you've got any shoulder issues. I would actually maybe just miss out commando planks and just hold a plank. So we're going to have wrists under shoulders, come into a plank or knees down. So I'm going to take your feet a little bit wider than your hips, bring my left arm down, my right arm down, left hand back, right hand back. So try and do this without the hips moving. Right arm down, left, right, left, and down, down, up, up, and down, down, up, up. One more, down, down, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up, up, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Nice, shake it out. Shake it out. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Look behind you. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Good, thank you so much. Your day 4 of your Pilates challenge is done. I hope you're feeling good. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. It's so important for little small YouTubers like myself. I hope you feel good. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5.